Dear students, today we will solve simplify of exercise 4.1. Number A, x plus y whole square plus 2 into x plus y into x minus y plus x minus y whole square. Let x plus y consider as A and x minus y consider as B. So given expression here we consider x plus y equal A, that means A square plus 2 into x plus y means A into x minus y means B plus x minus y whole square, that means B square. This is the formula of A plus B. Now value of A and B will be putting inside the first parenthesis. Here A means x plus y plus B means x minus y, then whole square, x plus y plus x plus minus multiply minus y whole square plus y minus y equals 0. Then addition value of x and x equal 2x whole square. Square value of 2 is 4 and x square. Number B, 2a plus 3b whole square minus 2 into 2a plus 3b into 3b minus a plus 3b minus a whole square. Let 2a plus 3b consider as x and 3b minus a consider as y. So given expression here 2a plus 3b consider as x, that means x square minus 2 into 2a plus 3b consider as x, that means x into 3b minus a consider as y, that means y, plus 3b minus a consider as y, that means y square. This is the formula of x minus y whole square. Value of x is 2a plus 3b minus value of y equal 3b minus a, then square 2a plus 3b minus 3b minus multiply minus equal plus a whole square plus 3b minus 3b equals 0. 2a plus a equal 3a whole square. Square value of 3 is 9, a square. Number C, 3x square plus 7y square whole square plus 2 into 3x square plus 7y square into 3x square minus 7y square plus 3x square minus 7y square whole square. Let 3x square plus 7y square equal a and 3x square minus 7y square consider as b. So given expression here 3x square plus 7y square consider as a and 3x square minus 7y square consider as b. So we can write a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula of a minus b whole square. Value of a equal 3x square plus 7y square minus value of b as 3x square minus 7y square, then whole square 3x square plus 7y square minus 3x square minus minus multiply plus 7y square, then whole square, plus 3x square minus 3x square equals 0. Added value of 7y square plus 7y square equal 14y square, then whole square. Square value of 14 equal 196, then 2 to the 4, that means y to the power 4. Number D, 8x plus y whole square minus 16x plus 2y into 5x plus y plus 5x plus y whole square. 8x plus y whole square minus, at first we will taking common value as 2, so we can write inside the first parenthesis 8x plus y into 5x plus y plus 5x plus y whole square. Now we will be consider 8x plus y as A and 5x plus y as B. Let 8x plus y equal A, 5x plus y equal B. So given expression (8x plus y) consider as A, that means A square, minus 2 into 8x plus y consider as A, 5x plus y consider as B, plus 5x plus y consider as B, that means B square. This is the formula of A minus B whole square. Value of A is 8x plus y minus value of B. Value of B is 5x plus y, then whole square. 8x plus y minus 5x plus minus minus y, then whole square. Plus y minus y equals 0. Subtracted value of 8x minus 5x equal 3x whole square. Square value of 3 is 9 x square. Question number E, 5x square minus 3x minus 2 whole square plus 2 plus 5x square minus 3x whole square minus 2 into 5x square minus 3x minus 2 into 2 plus 5x square minus 3x. Let 5x square minus 3x minus 2 consider as A, 2 plus 5x square minus 3x consider as B. So given expression here 5x square minus 3x minus 2 consider as A, that means A square, plus 2 plus 5x square minus 3x consider as B, that means B square, minus 2 into 5x square minus 3x minus 2 consider as A, and 2 plus 5x square minus 3x consider as B. We can rewrite this expression as A square minus 2AB plus B square. This is the formula of A minus B whole square. Value of A is 5x square minus 3x minus 2 minus value of B is 2 plus 5x square minus 3x, then whole square. 5x square minus 3x minus 2 and minus 2 minus plus minus 5x square minus minus plus 3x, then whole square. Plus 3x minus 3x equals 0, plus 5x square minus 5x square equals 0. Added value of minus 2 and minus 2 equal minus 4 whole square. square of minus s plus square of 4 is 16.